Bloated Word files are often caused by excessive image content. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to effectively shrink your file size while keeping your images looking sharp. If you aren't sure whether it is images that are causing the bloat, then please review episode 1 in this series. Why is my Word file so big? It shows you how to work out what content or image type is responsible for the file bloat. The easiest approach to compressing your image-heavy Word documents is to use a dedicated compressor like NXPowerLite Desktop. It can compress most files without affecting the visual quality of your file. Once the file is added, you can just hit Optimize to reduce the file size. As you can see, it achieves impressive reduction with most files. I've added the link to the 14-day free trial of NXPowerLite Desktop to this video's description. If you don't have access to a file compressor, you can use the Compress Pictures feature of Word to reduce your image-heavy files. To show you, I'll make a copy of the file and rename it so we know which one it is. Next, you'll need to open the file and then click on any of the images in there. Go to the Picture Format tab and find the Compress Pictures feature. Here, you can uncheck Apply only to this picture so that all the images are compressed. To reduce even further, you can ensure Delete Cropped Areas of Pictures is checked. You can even choose your target resolution for the image compression. We'll choose 220 ppi for this example, as it offers a good trade-off between the size and the quality of the images. To apply our configured compression settings, we must save the file. If we compare the two approaches, you can see that NXPowerLite is the clear winner. It is able to achieve much better results with its advanced compression strategies. It also works with more types of images in files. Some images resist these compression methods, specifically enhanced meta files, or EMFs. These are often used for charts and diagrams because they are scalable vectors, keeping lines and text crisp at any size. Because of this, they don't shrink using standard compression. As a reminder, to spot if you have EMFs in your file, you can use the file analysis tool demonstrated in the first video in this series. To reduce these files, we need to take a manual approach. So let's make a copy of it and rename it. Now, let's open the file. And I know from episode 1's file analysis that we have 3 EMF images in this file that are causing the bloat. We can start by selecting and copying the first image. Once on the clipboard, we can delete the original image and paste the copy into the document as a picture. Let's complete the job on the other 2 images in the file. This approach generally gives you a visually identical copy of the image. Only this new image will be a PNG and likely a lot smaller. So now let's save the file so that we can see the reduction. If we go back to Explorer, we'll find that the reduced version is much smaller than it was previously. And the bonus is that as the file now contains supported images, you can likely use the file compressor or compress pictures to reduce the file further. The final reduction we've achieved is pretty impressive. 11 megabytes down to less than a single megabyte. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.